We are here to give you some highlights about the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, which is started in 2016, 1st May at Uttar Pradesh by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. It was started with the dream of Minister creating smokeless villages across the country, and it has come to a moment of pride for the women in below poverty line households for getting LPG connection as an identity of their own and lead to smokeless and free polluted healthy life. So in Goa also, we have started this activity in the month of June, 1st June 2016. Till date, almost we have given more than around 1,000 new connection under this ambitious initiative of Mr. Narendra Modi. This initiative in the month of June 2016, so we are almost completing 1 year. During this duration, we have given almost 965 new installation under this Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. We'll be distributing the handouts in which you will get all the details and numbers. There are, as you are aware, the number of households that we choose, that is from SECC list, that is socio economic caste census, which was done in 2011. And out of that, we identify the based on KYC screening and all, we distribute the free cylinders. It is almost a 1,600 financial assistance that is given under this scheme, in which we distribute the free LPG cylinder, which is deposit free. Apart from that, we also provide the Suraksha hose, the free DGCC book, and also there will not be any maintenance and installation charge, which is normally charged by the customer. So if you, in total, it is a 1,600 total financial assistance which is given to the BPL household.
See, we are talking with the state government also, because they have to reduce that kerosene quota also. The kerosene also, it has to be stopped now through these ration shops. So we are screening that data and we are trying to identify, because when we declare, nobody should be left out without this thing. So for that, we have to take up with the state government, and then only we can decide the date. In fact, last year itself, this minister was very keen, petroleum minister, to declare Goa as a green state. So I think by September we should try for that.
But all India basis, the target for the year was 1.5 crore for under this scheme. But we have already exceeded the target, achieving 2.2 crore. So if you see on India basis, we are already towards that Green India phase. So overall target for this entire scheme of 5 years was 5 crore for 3 years.